kailangan you move your body, hindi lang yung ulo. Diba, Cielo?
Definitely.
Diba? Kasi kung sinasabi niyong shoulder check tapos head lang, kulang na kulang yun. Just move your body and head. Kasi kailangan yung pinaka-wide angle sa mga blind spot ninyo. You are checking for dangers kasi. Hindi yung yung mirror checking lang. Kulang yun.
Tell me what you want, you need. Tell me what you want, you need. Tell me what you want, you need. Tell me what you want, you need.
I grew up in a place.
Okay. Hey guys, good morning. We are back again sa lesson. Today, nagle-lesson kami ni Cielo. Third lesson na namin, di ba, Cielo?
Po.
Yes, so far so good si Cielo. Again, conversion lang siya from Philippine license to Australian license. Doing good siya sa third lesson niya. So we decided na mag-book na siya for a test. Dito pa rin sa Carseldine, one of the easiest test center. So gagawin namin, it's almost time. Mag-end na yung lessons ni Cielo. Pauwi lang kami ng malapit doon sa transport. Okay, so while Cielo is driving, I will try to explain kung anong meron sa daan para konting tips and tricks lang or reminders and pointers sa inyo guys, yung mga learners. If you could try to memorize the routes we are going, where we are going, para yun nga, para may mga tips sa inyo. Okay, so moving off kami ngayon ni Cielo, going straight na. So whenever you're ready, Cielo, moving off tayo please.
Right before moving off, you notice him checking around, especially his right shoulder. Good job.
So kita nyo yung mga head movements ni Cielo. Yan, that's what you do. That's what you should do. Kailangan you move your body, hindi lang yung ulo. Diba, Cielo?
Definitely.
Diba? Kasi kung sinasabi niyong shoulder check tapos head lang, kulang na kulang yun. Just move your body and head. Kasi kailangan yung pinaka-wide angle sa mga blind spot ninyo. You are checking for dangers kasi. Hindi yung yung mirror checking lang. Kulang yun. Papansin mo yung mga head movements ni Cielo, very good yung niya. Yung mga movements niya. So at the end of the road, Cielo, can you turn right, please? End of the road, turn right.
Approaching the situation, observe how he checks both ways, and double checks before he proceeds.
T-section ahead or end of the road, left turn again. Turn left. Okay, ito yung certain area na itong next road na we will be joining in is a 50 zone, 50 area. So watch your speed here. Check the road works, check kung may mga signs. Traffic lights, can you turn right? Magaling to si Cielo.
Magaling ang driving instructor.
Yun lang. Tatlong bagay lang yan ulit guys when you are driving. Check the signs, assess the road, wait for instructions. Yun lang. Nice, good job. 60 area. So stay ka lang here. Magdi-divide yung lanes ahead. So stay ka sa right lane. So positioning just right here. Okay, so there are two 2 traffic lights ahead. At the second traffic lights, just go straight. Follow your lane, going straight. Sobrang traffic, oh. So yun guys, na-observe ninyo yung first in line kami sa traffic lights. So kung napansin nyo again, yung head movements ni Cielo, very good. You need to show the examiners or you need to show the instructors you are checking the road. Intersection check left and right. Yan lang. Yan yung mga small things na papasa kayo, ma-impress yung examiners ninyo. Check once or twice, not every time. Pakita nyo lang, nag-move kayo ng head.
His progress on accelerating was very nice and smooth. Good job.
Okay, so switch lanes to the left, please. Good job. Very good yung MIMS. So roundabout coming up, turn left or first exit. Turn left or first exit.
Check his head movements on the approach. Good job.
Nice, good job. Check your speed on a downhill 50 area. So take the next right, please. Next right. Classmate, oh. Good job slowing down. Nice. So itong area na to guys, ito yung malapit, yung pinakamalapit sa Carseldine Transport. So they could choose this area to do your maneuvers. So this area is very easy lang, wide road kasi siya. And then 50 ang speed. If you notice, residential siya. So if you could check your right and left, yan may mga residential. So wide road 50. So mag next right tayo, Cielo, please. Next right. Okay, if you notice again, park cars on my left and right. So road positioning kami ni Cielo. That's it. Okay, so take the next left, please. Next left. So cul-de-sac coming up. Mag-U-turn kami ni Cielo. Okay, this is how you do a perfect U-turn. You do not need to swerve to the left. Straight lang, letter P. Observe nyo guys when to turn. You know. Sakto, perfect. Then turn left please. End of the road, turn left.
Doing some early checks while braking. Good job.
Very good observation. Let's follow the road.
At this part, he notices an incoming car far ahead. Great job on scanning the road.
Kita mo yung head movement ni Cielo, ayun no. Incoming car, na-check niya malayo pa lang. Very good. That's how you do it, guys. Galing-galing ni Cielo. You're doing good. Maintain mo lang. Okay, T-section. U-turn tayo, ha? T-section, do a U-turn please. You don't need to rush. Take your time. Check for danger. Yan guys, di ba? Good job. Nice. Alright, so yun lang guys, ang maneuvers or when driving, you don't need to rush kasi pag nag-rush kayo, yung thinking ninyo mabilis din. Wala kayong time to think. So kailangan sequence ba? Kailangan sequence yung ginagawa. Di ba, Cielo?
Definitely. Smooth lang, smooth.
Yeah, very smooth lang. Swabing lahat ng galaw. Kasi when you are going too fast, the less time to react. So, ayun. Going na kami sa sa parking spot ni Cielo. So anyway guys, I hope na nakatulong sa inyo. Bits and pieces lang. A short drive lang pero ang daming mga ang daming mga pointers to help you guys sa sa test niyo or sa lessons niyo.
Tips.
Yeah, tips and tricks. Traffic lights, T-section, turn right. So, yun lang muna guys. Next time na naman mag-try kami ni Cielo ng yung
Please like and subscribe.
Yun
And hit the notification bell.
Yun lang. Salamat guys. Pauwi na kami yun. Thank you, Cielo.
Welcome, kuya. Thank you.
It's a wonderful drive. Very nice drive. Pasok tayo sa clock corner. See you guys. Salamat. Thank you, Cielo.